Children, today I am going to teach a step-by-step flower drawing. Okay. So for this I am using DOMS color pencils and pencil, sharpener and eraser. So let us start. So before we start, first we will start with the basic shapes. Here I am going to draw a small circle or oval or circle you can draw. Okay. Then one more big circle or oval you can draw. Okay. This is the second step, and third step is in middle you have to draw a single line like this. Yeah. Now this part what will be there, here we are going to draw a lines like this, as this is the middle part of the flower. Now what you have to do is, from here draw two lines like this and a wave line. Okay, understanding children how you have to draw? And one more, the same like this. Here as well, here also same like this. Here also. Same like this. Okay, so we have finished this half part of the flower. Okay, now see, now you have to just draw like this. Okay, so we have finished this part. Now whatever the lines you have drawn before, those lines you have to erase it. Now this part, the lower part, you have to draw U shape like this. Then you have to draw two more lines like this and draw a small circle. Okay, now this flower part is done. Now leaves, how you are going to draw? Just two lines like this, then oval, here also oval. Next you have to draw a zigzag line, then 2-3 lines inside. Okay, yeah. Now we have finished this flower. How we are going to color now, I'll show you. Here I am using DOMS color pencils, children. Okay, I suggest to use this DOMS or Faber-Castell brand. Okay, both the brands are very good in color pencils, because the quality of leads will be very good. Now I am going to use yellow. This is a medium yellow, and you can use blue, light green, dark green, light green and dark green, and black color, you can use violet or purple, both the colors you can use, violet or purple you can use. So now I'm going to start coloring with, okay, let me change the color combination. Okay, so now I'm going to color with dark pink, sorry, there are a lot of color options, children. You can use any of the color. Okay, now I'm going to use this red color. Okay, you can use this red also, or this red also. You can use this a bit dark red. Okay, just lightly you are going to color. Observe neatly, children, how I am coloring. Just smoothly you have to color. So we have finished this part. Now again take the same color pencil and you have to trace these lines. And in the edges, or you can make it little bit darker, a bit darker you can make, okay, like this. First, always you have to color lightly with color pencil. Observe neatly and you have to color this. What happens if you color very darkly, without doing lightly? If you do darker, what happens? You will get the darker lines, and if you erase also those lines, it will not go. The marks will be seen. That is why first lightly you have to color, then on that you have to color one more time. Okay, and make sure you are coloring very lightly. Okay, and wherever you need darker, there you have to give a bit pressure to your fingers so that you will get a darker shade. Now I'm going to take this yellow color. inside you have to color with yellow color. Neatly you have to fill the color. Here also we can use this yellow color. Yeah. Then for leaves and stem also you have to use the same yellow color. So we have finished this part also. Now I'm going to use this purple color, and you have to give this lines like this. Okay, here also. Just a short strokes. Here also. What happens if you give this? It looks like embossed, okay, and it gives a real effect, okay. See children, whatever the lines you have drawn, the same, same like that you have to give the strokes like this, okay, and don't get confused, okay. Now I am going to use a brown color. And lightly you have to blend it, okay. Now I am going to use light green color, and make sure if the leads are like if the lead is like this, you have to sharp the lead properly, okay. I'm going to sharp this light green. And dark green, light green and dark green, both the colors you have to sharpen it and keep it. Now in the edges I am going to use this leaf green, or else one more time you can color on that yellow. Same for this as well. Slowly and neatly you have to color, and no need to press hard, okay. Don't hold pencil like this children, okay. No, don't hold pencil like this, okay. Just you have to use very lightly. See how I am using, just lightly you have to color. Okay, now we have finished this light green part. Now I'm going to use this dark green. So I'm going to start with this. Lower part, okay. Observe neatly, and just you have to blend with that light green and yellow color. That's it. Only in the edges, okay. Sorry. Just in the edges you have to do the same coloring. And for the lace, draw on the same lines whatever you have drawn before in the pencil, with the pencil, and just blend very lightly with light green and yellow color. Same for this also. So we have finished this part. Now I'll take light green. Wherever you have colored outside of the line, just you need to erase it. Okay. Now we are going to do the background color. Here I am going to use this light blue color. Just very lightly you are going to color this. Okay, very lightly, children. This is, after this you have to give black outline. Okay, at last, after everything, the background color and main coloring, everything, once if it's finished, then you have to use black color. Okay, or else whole drawing will get spoiled if you use black color in the beginning. Okay, just lightly you are going to color this. Neatly you have to color this part. Okay, so we have finished this part. Now I am going to use this black color for this. Whatever the lines you have done before, the same line. You can use sketch pen also, children. The options are left to you. Okay, you can use color pencil or you can use sketch pens, but you cannot use oil pastel for this because you have used color pencils, and you cannot get the thin lines in oil pastels or in wax crayons. So I suggest to use only color pencil or sketch pen. here you have to do this black color just lightly. Next for this also. Same lines you have to give it black color, and here also lightly you can use this black color. Now again you have to take yellow color and you have to color on that black color. Very lightly you have to color. Next again take red color. The same lines again you have to draw a bit darker with red color. Yeah, now you have finished this drawing. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to pause the video and you have to practice and you have to show me next class. Okay, yes. Thank you so much.